by Rachael reads To Save the School Horses. Today we will be reading I Can Read to Pony Scouts, the camping trip. The camping trip. The camping trip. Meg's alarm clock buzzed. She sat up and rubbed her eyes. She mumbled, "It's time to get ready for school." Then she saw her sleeping bag next to the door. She jumped out of bed. "Hooray!" she cried. "It's the first day of vacation, and I'm going pony camping." The horse trailer stopped outside Meg's house. "They're here," Meg cried. "Are you sure you packed everything you'll need?" Meg's dad asked. "You've never been camping before." But Meg wasn't worried. "It will be just like an outdoor slumber party," she said, "but with ponies." Meg peeked into the trailer. "Hi, Sparkle," she greeted her favorite pony. "Ready to go camping? I packed extra carrots for you." Then Meg climbed into the truck. "Let's go, Pony Scouts," she exclaimed, smiling at Jill and Annie. An hour later, the Pony Scouts arrived at the state park. There was a paddock for the ponies and a clearing nearby for the tents. "Where's the bathroom?" Meg asked. "It's 5 minutes down the trail," Jill's mom said. Meg was surprised. "We have to walk 5 minutes to go to the bathroom?" When Meg got back from the bathroom, the others were putting up a tent. "I'll help," Meg said. "Where does this pole go?" "Careful," Annie cried. "Oops," Meg said as the tent collapsed. "Sorry about that." was time for a trail ride. This is great, Meg said. Pony camping is fun. Everyone was tired when they got back from camp to the campsite. Is it time for dinner? Meg asked. Not yet, Joe's mom said. First we have to take care of the ponies. Ponies helped help Jill's mom carry hay and water to the ponies. Finally, it was dinner time. Meg's hot dog tasted great, but the bugs wouldn't leave her alone. Where's your bug spray? Annie asked. I didn't bring any, Meg said. That's okay, Jill said. You can use mine. It started getting dark. We'll check on the ponies, Mom, Jill said. Grab your flashlight, Annie told Meg. My flashlight? Meg said. I didn't bring one. It's okay, Jill's mom said. I brought an extra. Meg felt silly. I guess I don't know anything about camping, she said. Never mind, Jill said. You didn't know much about ponies when you first became friends. But now you do. That made Meg feel better. I have an idea, she said. Let's tell ghost stories. Ooh. They looked nervous. Ghost stories? She said. I don't know. I'll start, Meg said. She thought for a second. Okay. She began. This story is the tale of the spooky ghost pony. Ooh. 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 Next story was scary. It was all about a ghostly pony with glowing yellow eyes. Before long, Annie was shivering. Even Jill looked nervous. Maybe we should go back to camp, Jill said. No, wait, Meg said. I'm just getting to the best part. Just then Annie gasped. Oh no! Look! She cried. It's the ghost pony! With a glowing yellow light was moving toward them through the woods. The ghost pony is coming to get us, Jill cried. Run for your life, Snake yelled. Girls, a voice called. Mom? Joseph, is that you? The light was coming from Jill's mom's flashlight. Time for bed, she said. Soon Meg was snuggled in her warm sleeping bag. Camping wasn't exactly how she expected it to be, but that was what made it fun. No. Pony pointers, horse trailer, a trailer used for carrying ponies. Carrots, a favorite treat for ponies. Paddock, a small fence. Enclosure for ponies. Trail riding, riding out in the woods or fields.
Great job.
So we have really riding, pony crazy, and the trail ride.
Thanks for reading.
By Rachael reads to save the school horses.